Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find people on Hoi by TikTok application. So first of all you have to go Hoi account. So I'm just going to Hoi account and tap on the Hoi application, and you can see the option search bars. Like if you have the username a specific person, then search here. Like for example, I don't have any username or any ID name, so I'm just type randomly, maybe Smith, and enter. Then you will see the all the Smith people here, like the name is Smith. So you can add them on your account. You can send them friend request. So Smith here, or you can search like if you have the username. Like my username is okay. So there is no username found. So this way, like I can say Alex. So you will get the all people here. Then you can send the message. You can send them friend request. So it's really amazing. This way you can find the people. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.